In this video, I'll show you how to hide apps on iPhone. I'm going to show you a very neat trick that allows you to hide applications from the home screen of your iPhone in plain sight. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. So for example, let's say you have all your social media apps installed or downloaded onto your iPhone and you want to hide them temporarily so no one can see them. But when you want to get back to them, you can unlock them again and bring them back onto the home screen and use them as normal. Now this trick also allows you to hide certain features of the OS and other stock applications as well without deleting them. So let's head over to Screen Time. And on Screen Time, make sure you set a passcode. I've already set my passcode, so I don't have to do that. Once you're done with setting the passcode, you want to go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap on Allowed Apps. This allows you to hide certain apps from the view. So right here, we have the Mail application, Safari. We also have FaceTime, the camera app. And as I mentioned, we have stock features here as well. So if we go back here and we go to Content Restrictions, then you want to head to Apps. Right here, you have age restriction. Now the great thing is that certain social media apps have an age restriction. So if you set this to age 4 right here, we can actually hide them from the view. Social media applications are actually hidden from the view. They're not here. The data is still there. The apps are installed, but they're hidden from the view. We can bring them back by going to Allow All Apps. Now all the apps will be visible again. So this is a neat trick that allows you to hide certain apps from the default apps, as well as other third-party apps from plain sight on your device. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video, and see you in the next one.